In this quick video, I'll show you how to change the front page of your WordPress site. Whether it's a blog, portfolio or business website, updating your homepage can completely transform how visitors see your site. So stick around and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips. First, log into your WordPress dashboard by typing your website URL with the WP admin at the end. Enter your login details and you'll land on the dashboard. Now, look at the left-hand menu and click on Settings. Then choose Reading. This is where WordPress controls what people see when they visit your site. By default, it shows your latest posts, but if you want a custom home page, select a static page. Once you do that, you'll see two drop-downs, one for home page and one for posts page. Click the home page drop-down and choose the page you want to set as your front page. Once you've picked it, scroll down and hit Save Changes. And that's it. Refresh your site and you'll see your brand new homepage live. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.